Today is Saturday, and I hope you all are enjoying your weekend with your family. But weekend is the time where we should focus on our knowledge and try to evaluate and nurture it to the best that we can possibly do. I have over 20 years of work experience and I'm still focusing on my basics because basics has to be very strong if we really want to excel in our life. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vegas Talks. As this is a weekend, so we will be focusing on our knowledge. Today we will discuss about options buying and options selling. But before we start, a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tip. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified as soon as we upload our next video. So let's start. Those who don't know what options is, for them, option is a derivative segment of Indian market and it comes under F&O segment, where F stands for future and O stands for options. Derivative segment is a highly risky segment and a riskier than the equity. I request you to understand this concept thoroughly before entering into the market. Scripts can be studied from either from Investopedia or you can download Versity app from Play Store. Basic study material is available in public domain and is easily accessible to all. Make sure that you understand the concept thoroughly. Well, let's focus on today's video. So in option, we have two types of option. Either you can buy a call or you can buy a put. Remember the word call and put, wherein you buy call when you expect market to go up. Similarly, you buy put when you expect a market to go down. So just like equity, you buy stock and sell when the price goes up to make profit, right? And you short equity to make profit when the price goes down. But shorting facility is available only for intraday. These are basics, and those who don't know, please refer to the free online study material available in public domain, or you can download Versity app from Play Store and study. Without much wasting time, let's come back to our question. Option buying or option selling? Most of you have raised this question in our option chain analysis video. Hence, let's try to understand this concept. Option buying and option selling is a two-party contract between an option buyer, let's assume A is an option buyer, against option seller, and let's assume option seller as B. So there are two parties, option buyers and option sellers. Here option seller proposes to option buyer that you pay certain premium to enter into the contract, and if market goes in your direction, option seller will pay to option buyer. Similarly, if market goes against option buyer's view, then he will lose all his premium that he has already paid to option seller. Once option buyer accepts the challenge, the contract becomes valid, and here SEBI becomes the mediator, which makes sure that both the parties follow the standard guidelines set by them. This contract becomes valid when both the parties, option buyer and option sellers, enter into it. Now let's try to understand the benefit of both the parties individually. In order to make it more simple, let's not repeat the word option buyer and option seller again and again, otherwise you will get confused. So option buyer will be A and option seller will be B. So if A buys a call and market price goes up, he will make money. Similarly, if he buys put and market price goes down, he will make money. So A can buy both call and put as per his requirement or view about the market. In order to enter into a contract, he will pay a premium price to B, that is option seller. Okay. Now what are the benefits of option seller, that is B? First, he will initiate a contract by selling either a call or a put. He can also either sell call or sell put, both instead of buying. He will receive a premium once contract is valid or contract is accepted by option buyer, that is A. And he will make money only when price, in fact premium, goes down. Simple. Let's elaborate this with an example. So A buys call with a view that market will go up, and B sells call with a view that market will go down, and the premium paid by A is 100 rupees. Now if market goes up, this premium price will go up to maybe 200 or 500. Then A makes money. But if market goes down and the premium goes down to 70, 50 or max to max 0, in this case B will make money. As you are aware that A has already paid premium of 100 rupees to B, so he will not return that money to A. So B gets money at the beginning of the contract itself, and if he is right, he will not have to return that money to A. I hope it's clear. Okay. So then there might be a question, why A is paying premium first? A is paying premium first because this is the condition of the contract. And what benefit A has in return? A can make unlimited profit by simply paying a premium. Premium is a small portion. In this case, premium can go up to 200, 500 or even 1000. And if it does that, then we have to pay back to A. Then you might have a question, why B will enter in such a contract? Because he will only get 100 rupees max to max. So B has other benefit also. Remember, market has 3 types of movement: up rally, down rally or sideways. Market price can go up or down or remain stagnant or sideways. In this contract, A is benefited only and only if price goes as per his view, either up or down. But B makes money when price goes either in his direction or remains stable. But it is sure that B's profit is limited. So let me reiterate this. Option buyers can get unlimited profit and can lose all his premium amount if he stays in the contract till expiry day. And option sellers has limited profit but unlimited loss. Hence buying option is a low risk and selling option is a high risk. You can buy option by simply paying a premium In this example, you will have to pay premium that is 100 multiplied by lot size, which is 25 for Bank Nifty and 75 for Nifty. Whereas if you want to sell option, then you should have 1.5 lakh in your account. Then only you are eligible to enter into the contract. Remember, in this contract both parties has the option to void the contract at any given time. If A wants to exit, he can. Similarly, if B wants to exit, he can also. Points to remember: for buyers to make profit, they need bigger directional movement. But for sellers, they can still be happy if the price remains stagnant. Because premium price includes time value and price decays when we go closer to the expiry day. Okay. Now you have been asking questions about strategy. Please note that strategy will not make you money. Your mindset and discipline will definitely do that. Hence focus more only on your mindset and try to become a disciplined trader. Money will definitely follow you. Never repent that you do not have money. Focus on paper trading, back testing your knowledge, and when you feel confident, enter into the market. Then if you still say that you do not have money, don't worry, there are n number of individuals or financial institutions who can lend you money at any time if you want. But I request you not to do that, and I'm assured that you will not do that. Knowledge is the most powerful tool in this world. If you have the knowledge, money will follow you. I'm hoping that at least there is 50 likes in this video, and if it happens, I will definitely upload the second part soon. The information that I'm sharing is like 8th wonder of this world, and if you are even correct in 5 out of 10 times, no one can stop you to become an independent and rich individual. I repeat, if you are at least 50% right, you can still become independent and rich. I forgot to mention one more thing. Option sellers makes money 7 out of 10 times, whereas option buyers makes money only 3 out of 10 times. So keep remember this thing also. So you have to learn this art. Please like, share this video to as many groups as you can and ask them to subscribe. I will cover everything from scrap to intermediary. In fact, I will take care of your knowledge. You just have to focus on your mindset and discipline only. Hope everything is clear. If you still have any question or query, do mention in the comment box and hit the like button, and I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, then please appreciate my effort by sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.